Citizens International organizer Honorable Amos Chibaya has donated 190 bags of cement to the Reformed Church in Zimbabwe RCZ to support the construction of a new pastor's house in Mkoba North, Gweru. Sarabina mashoko anobuda panguva ine achionekwa kunzi aiwa Citizen International organizer Amos Chibaya odonata cement aiwa muguta reGweru. Remember subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa mnamudanyiwa kuti the donation made on Saturday 26 July 2025 is part of a broader community-driven initiative aimed at ensuring decent housing for local church leaders. Speaking during the handover, Chibaya said the gesture was inspired by the important role pastors play in people's lives. I have donated this cement in support of the RCZ Church's vision for the construction of the pastor's house, said Chibaya. Pastors are the servants of God who pray for us and encourage us in our daily lives. They deserve to have decent and beautiful accommodation. Chibaya also praised the RCZ for its visible and long-standing work in uplifting communities across Zimbabwe through its various ministries and outreach programs. The contributions made by RCZ Church in our community are invaluable, he noted. Pastors play a critical role in fostering community development and improving the quality of life for many. In addition to Chibaya's contribution, local business people and church members have also donated building materials such as bricks and roofing supplies to help complete the project. The ongoing construction of the pastor's house stands as a symbol of unity and collaboration in Mkoba North, reflecting the shared commitment of local leaders and the church to improve lives through faith and community engagement. Thomas Karubuda panguva ine Amos Chibaya achilida our the donations panguva ine zviri kuonekwa kunzi kumawadi aiwa kunoonekwa vana Amos Chibaya kwakanga vari malegislators uye kwakazorikolewa zvavo kune unity and they truly believe aiwa kuti vakomana ava vana Chibaya vanofola under the opposition under the leadership yaNelsonchamisa aiwa vanofoster unity within the communities. Tiudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section medu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.